This video is brought to you by volunteeraudio.com, your #1 source for all things Harley Davidson audio. From individual radios, speakers, and amps to complete plug-and-play amp and speaker systems, we've got you covered. And once you've ordered your package from Volunteer Audio, it includes lifetime tech support. And we have the very best step-by-step installation video so you can install it yourself and save money. Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. And we're going to continue on our series on how to install an audio system in a 2015 to 2023 Road Glide. In this video, we're going to show you how to reinstall the speaker pods. Now, in previous videos, we've showed you how to remove the outer fairing, the radio, the headlight, the speaker pods, and installing your speakers, your gas tank, your seat, the backbone connector, and routing all the wires for our amplifier. And we've even already mounted our amplifier back in the fairing. So this video is simply just going back together. We're now starting reassembly to finish out this project. So watch and we'll go over how to get the speaker pods back in place and what tools are going to be needed. So let's start there. The only tool we're going to need in this video is a 3/16 Allen tool to put the bolts back in our speaker pods as we go together. So we've already in our previous video showed you how to put the speaker in. And we're going to start by putting our pod back on our bike and starting the 2 bolts at this upper metal plate. You'll see that there are some little ears on the pod that help with alignment here and make sure it only goes in one place. So we're going to hand start both of these bolts. And here's our 3/16 Allen tool. We're going to go ahead and take them down snug. And we're going to clip our wire that goes to our cigarette lighter back into the upper pod there, making sure it's secure. Now we have 3 3/16 Allen head bolts to go on the perimeter. 1 up here toward the base of the headlight and 2 toward the inner fairing. We're just reinstalling the bolts that we took out earlier. Definitely keep up with all your hardware. Most of it is going to be reused. So we're going to plug our speaker back in, and we're going to move on to the other side. All right, so we want to make sure and start these 2 upper bolts first. That's always easier. It's going to hold the pod for you as you continue with the rest of the bolts. Make sure and clip our USB cable that goes into our pocket back into our speaker pod. Now we're going to put our bolts in the perimeter of the speaker pod. So the 1 toward the headlight first, and then the 2 toward the inner fairing. After you get all these started, make sure you go back and double check and tighten all the bolts up. This is kind of the framework of the fairing. If they're left loose or missing, you're going to have a lot of additional vibration. So we're going to plug in our speaker pod. We're pretty much to the end of this video. Continue to watch as we move forward, putting our radio in, our headlight in, making all the connections at the amplifier and showing you how to fully reassemble this bike. We also have additional step-by-step videos on how to cut in your lid speakers and how to do tour pack pod speakers and additional things you may need to see at volunteeraudio.com under our step-by-step video section. Also, check out the plug-and-play amp and speaker packages that we offer also at volunteeraudio.com. And if you have questions and need help making the right decisions, reach out to our sales team at 1-844-30-AUDIO. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video so that other people will see it. YouTube will move us up in search results. More people will get to see this and help them on their installation as well. Definitely subscribe to our channel to see other step-by-step videos, to watch some of our installs we do in our shop, the walkaways at the end that are so amazing, as well as new Harley audio that's released from different manufacturers. We'll do reviews on it and show you as soon as it comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, God bless.